Yeah. Like nanny. Well, as the only woman, you can understand. You see that? As you bang. Maroon says sound you bang. And this one.
So she could use it and catch a shot.
Yeah, man, I see it. Can you see the hand part? See the hand part there over the coast. So today, we're in a Heroes Circle, or them call it the National Heroes Park, race course, anyone I name them you want to use. And we have our own tour guide today, but we get one tour guide up at the top and he tell me about Nanny alone.
Nanny the youngest one. Nanny the youngest one.
I don't know, I say Nanny, big up! Big up! Yeah, man.
The youngest one. The youngest one.
Michael Manley. Son of blindness too. Boss. Thing is smooth, you know?
So I'm not getting no flowers.
Eh?
So Michael not get no flowers.
So hold on, I walk one. Even Sir Donald, I remember I know one person named Andrew, yeah? Yeah, we have an Andrew in our show too.
I will have a Michael.
I have a Michael.
We have a Michael, and we have a Marcus.
Paul there too. I'm on Paul apart.
You know why? You know what one?
Well, two of them.
The two of them are far. It's the same time as the man who was there.
The two of them get hands here.
Yeah.
All this part of
Female
sword.
more gruesome.
Mm-hmm.
You know, far how I can find Paul and George. They say everybody else the upside down. And the two man them the round us with the hand. They may have me glove hand.
Yeah, look good for safe for one hand though. Yeah, look good for safe for one hand a while ago though. No me. George head look lean though.
The man say, man looks up.
Man, make George look like he have scoliosis. Man, make it look like George have scoliosis. Where you go?
Now the guy man live whoop. Him there the back.
The Right Excellent Samuel Shop. It will work fine. Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm really significant, you know?
So our level is to this thing.
Yeah, man, levels.
I like that. A powerful expression.
See that? It's raining. It's raining. I will still get the work.
I will still get the scene done. So I'll deal.
I get it done for real. Yeah? Yeah, man. Chat, I say, rain ease up and we out again. You see me? When the rain fall, we have run in my car. Yeah, man, I literally running. We don't know where to find a spot again. Finish the scene. You see me? Just stay tuned, man. That's the finishing product.